The males of the northern subspecies have brown backs whose extent gradually reduce southwards, with the males of the southern subspecies having all black backs. Indian robins are commonly found in open scrub areas and often seen running along the ground or perching on the low thorny shrubs and rocks. The long tail is usually held up, and the chestnut, undertail coverts and dark body makes them easily distinguishable from pied bush chats and Oriental magpie-robins. The Indian robin species was introduced into the New York region but did not become established there. A vagrant or escape has been noted from the Maldives. They feed mostly on insects but are known to take frogs and lizards, especially when feeding young at the nest. Individuals may forage late in the evening to capture insects attracted to the lights.